All right, today we're here at the Quality Inn West in Branson, Missouri. And today we're going to take a full hotel tour of this place. Now, the last time I took a video here was a daytime take of the elevator and a room tour. So today, I think we're going to do a full hotel tour of this place. Over here is the lobby. This place actually looks fairly nice. Over here you got a fireplace. Nice seating area here. Over here's the front desk. Over here you have the business center with a Windows computer down there and a printer. Printer is an HP DeskJet 2541. Over here you have your brochures. Quality Inn West by Choice Hotels. Right here is the front desk where you check in. This lobby is built similar to the one on the Strip.
Is it?
Yeah, kind of. But this is one of my favorite hotels. I'm from Clinton, but I really love this hotel.
Oh, good.
Down here you'll find a public restroom. Employees only. That's a very low height for a smoke detector. There's a nice big clock up there. Excuse me. Now there is no fitness center from what I recall in this hotel, but it does have an indoor pool. So we'll go take a look at that next. This hotel is probably one of the most unique hotels I've been to. Everything's in a separate building. The rooms, the pool, the breakfast room, and the lobby. It's very interesting. Now, I believe you have to use your room key to get in. This pool is open from 9 a.m. to midnight, so it's not even open right now. But there's your indoor pool. Now they have heaters in there. I'm not really a big fan of those because they can get obnoxious and scare me when they turn on. But that's just me. Over here's where they have the towels. There's a better look at the pool right there. Excuse me. And over there is a spa. We can go around to get a bit. Well, actually, it's gated off over there. And but the pool's actually really nice. Here's a better look of it right here. Spa is all the way over on the other side. Sorry for the glare. The sun is very bright. I'm filming this in the morning because this is actually the only day we stayed here. I was gonna swim, but I forgot about the heaters. I know, I'm a scaredy cat, but who knows and who cares? Now we're going to take a look at the breakfast room. And it's actually open from, this hotel does offer a full hot breakfast. And the hours are 6:30 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. Looks like they're offering something different today. We got muffins, honey buns, some jelly, peanut butter, and honey. Got some fruit here. Here you got your fruit cups and yogurt. Here's your juice dispenser. Or here you got your cereal. Looks like they're offering biscuits and gravy today. Some other hot options here. Sausage, eggs, and potatoes. Over here you have your coffee.
They really like that sausage on it.
Now usually this place offers waffles, but it doesn't look like they have them out today. Because usually they would have the waffle makers and the pancake maker right here. There's a TV. Now here comes personally my favorite part. But I think it would be the elevator enthusiast's favorite part too. The elevator. And we all know it's an Otis. Let's write it. This is the only elevator in the entire hotel. Here it is. 3. Yard 3. Let's get out and get a view. There's a vending machine. And here is what I guess used to be a laundry room, but I guess it's locked now. Here's a daytime view of Branson. There's the breakfast room down there we were just at. And if you look over here, you can see Red Lobster. Now that's one of my favorite places to eat. They have good food. And if we come over here, here we have a view of the indoor pool, and there's another sign over there. Alrighty, I'll go back down and tour the room. This lantern does chime, but it does not light up. 1. Okay, we could do a full round trip if you guys really want to. 3. This elevator is fairly nice. It's got some pictures on here of shows going on in Branson at the theaters. It's got nice wooden walls. Here we are. You coming down?
Yeah.
1.
Hang on, there might be one more guy.
Guys going down to 1?
Yes, sir. I want 2.
Up 2? Okay. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Have a good day. Alrighty. Now we're going to tour the room. I am actually in a suite. The last time we were here, we stayed up in 233, I believe, which was the Birch Suite. And this time we're over here in 238. Over here you have an ice machine. There are no elevators in these small 2-story areas, only in the 3-story building where we just were. Alright, and here we are at my room. 238. The Red Oak Suite. So I'm not going to tour this side of the room like I did last time because it's a mess. But this is kind of the same as the room when I did the room I did a tour in 2 years ago, though I think some things are opposite from last time. Turn on the light. Right here is your bathroom. There's a tissue box, ice bucket, coffee maker. There's a towel right there. Hi. And here's the actual bathroom. I just took a shower, so that's why the towel's down there. But this is your shower, bath combo. That doesn't look right. Let's check out the shower. It actually has good pressure. But here's your towel rack. I actually used pretty much all the towels last night. Well, not except for that one. Here's your sink. Little open closet. A little rack over here. ironing board. Here's your sofa sleeper. You got 2 lamps, both of which actually have outlets on them compared to the video from 2 years ago. On that side is a more modern climate control unit, and I actually have the older one right here. It's a Kenmore. It looks like it's from the 90s. Over here you have your phone, another lamp with 2 outlets. This one actually is missing the button to turn it on, so this one doesn't work, but the outlets do. Here's your pedestal lamp. There's your curtain, your window. There's your peephole, where you can look at people from inside the room. Deadbolt, latch lock. You got some good security in here. There's all my luggage. I'm actually packing up and getting ready to leave. Come on. There we go. There. And over here is a first alert hardwired smoke detector. I'm not going to test it because it's hardwired with everyone on this building, so they'll all go off if I test it. So I'm not going to do that. But we have some pictures of guitars, violins, mandolin, and a bass guitar right here. Right here is your TV. I'll go ahead and turn it on for you. It's just like my old TV at home, but we actually had to replace it with a new TCL Roku TV because it was having serious picture quality problems. But yeah, I believe that's about it for this room. Not much to show compared to my last tour, but I guess all I have to say now is that's it.